Hello everyone, welcome another video on BilzTech. Now, first thing first, press Window and I to open Setting menu. On Setting menu page, on the left side you will find Account Settings. Click on it, scroll down, and here you will see Other Users. Click on it. Other user page. If you see here, here's Add Account. Click to Add Account. On this Open Wizard, you have to click on I don't have this person send information. On this page, you have to click on Add a user without a Microsoft account. On this page, where you have to put all the information regarding the account which we are creating. In my case, it is BilzTech and password. Now we enter the password. See here, in case you will forget your password. These are the security questions. Just fill this out. After filling this all the security questions and hit next, that's it. Nothing else. This is what you have to do, and that's as you will create the account. Now the next step is we have to check the account is created or not. Go to taskbar, and here is start. This is my profile, and after this go to the options, and here you will find a created account. Just click on it to switch the account. Successfully we are logged into our new account, and that's it. This is how we have to create a new, adding a user to Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.